Lesson 18 for intermediate students. Let's learn 30 words now. Limit, limited, unlimited. His behavior is without limits. Melody. What a beautiful melody. Ago. I saw her in the square an hour ago. Catch, caught, caught. Catch me if you can. Disadvantage. We have to fight for socially disadvantaged kids. More. Could you give me more information? Union. We are part of the sports union. Worry. Why are you so worried about it? Ready. We'll be ready in a moment. Group. We'd prefer to go with our group of friends. Estimate as a verb. Estimate as a noun, or estimation as a noun. Send me the estimate within an hour. Celebrate, celebration. It was supposed to be a small celebration. Door. Leave the door open. Spoon, tablespoon, teaspoon. Add 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Across. It exists everywhere across cultures. Class, classroom. Our classroom has a cozy feel. Mind. Are you out of your mind? Wide. Width. The width of the parking lot doesn't suit us. Umbrella. I left my umbrella there. Leak, leakage. The information was leaked to the public. Get, got, got. Don't you get it? Consistent. He's consistent in raising children. Destroy, destruction. It destroyed half of the crop. Pain. Are you in any pain right now? Room. Have you booked the room yet? Share. We will share everything together. Thing. This is a big thing. Appointment. We postpone the appointment until tomorrow. Believe, believe. Would you believe it? Earth. The earth. Come back to earth. That's all for today. Bye bye.